Let's see how to build a portfolio for graphic design in Wix. First is we need to create new site. Then we set up without chat. Then go ahead and type graphic designer. We click continue. In here, you can name your website, what you want to call it, but let's skip this for now. We're building a portfolio, so let's just choose this portfolio. Then continue to dashboard. Now we click this design site right here. Let's customize a template. Then you'll be directed to graphic designer or graphic design templates. But if you're not directed, you can always search for graphic designer here. Now you can choose your design or what you want. You can choose some templates here. You can always view templates before you could pick one. If you think it's good, you can now edit the site. Now, you can change your name here, or maybe your team, your business, or just the name of your graphic design website. Whatever you want, you can always change the text. You can add more text or images, videos, in this button right here in the add elements. There's many elements in here you can choose from. Now you can change your background by clicking this change background or by clicking this quick edit. There you can change some section backgrounds. You can also change here your title here, an image too if you'd like. You can delete it by clicking it and just pressing the backspace. Then in this menu button right here, this is what you call menu button. When you double click it, it opens the site pages and menu button right here, where you can edit, add, and remove pages in your website. And when we scroll down, we can see a bunch of images, and you can put all your graphic designs here. When you press this, you can click Manage Media so that you can edit, remove, or add some of your graphic designs. Also, you can link your graphic designs to certain pages of your site in here. Pages that can be linked here are from the pages and menu. I told you about that earlier. You can add new project page in here by clicking this add menu item. Then select new page. You can then add here another project. This one. You can click add project, or you can just simply duplicate your other page. This one. Click these three dots, and then you can duplicate it. So duplicate page. And rename it Project 8. And we go to this page. You can just change its contents. Its contents and what's right here. Or what's in here. Now, we will try linking it to the image we'll add. Let's go to home. Let's try and add some media. Sample this one. Now let's try linking this to the image. Link, choose page, then project 8. Done. And that's it. It's here. You can customize this, of course. You can adjust and customize this in the settings. There's layouts, other settings, designs, and many more in here. And by the way, we get this kind of style from the Elements button here in Gallery. And as you can see, there are many different styles to showcase your sample project. You can choose from them. Now, in this part, you can write something about yourself, your designs, or your website. You can also add forms here. Here in the contacts and forms. There are many forms here. You can add some contacts, or you can add some subscription forms. You can also edit it by yourself. Just click this, then edit form. In here, you can add some first names. You can really customize it however you like. You can delete it simply pressing the backspace. There are many options, other options here. Now, let's go to your portfolio. In here, you can add your projects by clicking this, then Manage Projects. You can set it up without AI. Now you can add or edit your designs here. You can add. And in this button, you can edit, share project, you can duplicate, hide, or delete your project. You can also manage collections, where you'll organize your projects if they relate to each other. So if you have many projects that are the same, or they have the same category, then you can have collections. And again, you can always design your pages with this icon, design icon. Then this Let's Chat icon here, or button, lets your clients message you. You can also edit this in the settings, right here. And that's it. That's how to build a portfolio for graphic design in Wix. See you soon!